They will come and give exhaustive information,
clarification,
honorable members, and to the country.
Okunnyonnyola kwa Ssaabaminisita w'eggwanga Dr. Rukana Rugunda ku nsonga z'okuggulawo amasomero kwandibanga tekumatizza babaka ba Parliament.
It takes time. What can you tell them? Do they continue paying fees or they don't?
That means that you are not prioritizing education. Let us prioritize education.
Abaka ba Parliament ababadde abanyiivu bagala gavumenti eveeyo bunnambiro etegeze bannayuganda ddi lwegenda okuggulawo amasomero.
There is a very big problem. Parents don't know the state of schools as we talk now. What is happening, Madam Speaker? Some schools have begun. They are teaching behind closed doors.
Kenya, where education is going on, there are no cases at all that are being reported, and because they are observing SOPs.
We want to know, it is almost coming to a year when children are not going to school. Those who are allowed to go back as candidate classes, we've not got any report concerning the effects of COVID around them.
Okwemulugunya kuno kujjidde mu kiseera nga banka z'ebyobusuubuzi ezaawula abasomesa ensimbi z'okwekulaakulanya zitandise kubasa ku nninga okusasula ebbanja.
Many schools have now started receiving letters from banks and other financial institutions telling them there's no any need to reschedule because the government assured us that schools will open in January.
Many international schools are operating. International schools are operating. But when it comes to local schools, the government is quite silent. And there are few Ugandans who can afford international schools.
The matter is still under discussion. We are involving the scientific team that is handling and advising government on COVID.
Ababaka oluvannyuma lw'okubuusabuusa Ssaabaminisita b'ennyonnyodde basabye Minisitule y'ebyenjigiriza eveeyo ennyonnyole ekintu Sipiika wa Palamenti ky'akkiriziganyiza nakyo.
The Prime Minister went to Mwiri, and Mwiri has been destroyed and paid for by government. For him, he has finished. He has all his children have finished outside the country. But the majority of us have our children here, and we are suffering.
To shut up on Wednesday. It's urgent.
Gavumenti yaggalawo amasomero mu mwezi gwa March 2020 olw'okubalukawo kw'ekirwadde ki COVID-19 nga kino kifukamizza ensi yonna. Kati bannayuganda balindiridde okuddibwamu ssabbiiti ejja oba amasomero ganaggulawo oba nedda.